Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Analogy. Let's see if you can score that perfect 2020. Segregate is to unify. Repair is to blank. A. Approach. B. Push. C. Damage. D. Outwit. The correct answer is C. Damage. Segregate is the opposite of unify, and repair is the opposite of damage. Opposite relationship. Mend is to sewing. Edit is to blank. A. Darn. B. Repair. C. Manuscript. D. Makeshift. The correct answer is C. Manuscript. Mend is done by sewing. Sewing is the means action. And edit is done to a manuscript. Same doer action, object relationship. 80 is to 40. 2 is to blank. A. 8. B. 4. C. 1. D. 20. The correct answer is C. 1. Half of 80 is 40 and half of 2 is 1. Conjugate is to pair. Partition is to blank. A. Divide. B. Consecrate. C. Parade. D. Squelch. The correct answer is A. Divide. Conjugate means to make a pair. Partition means to divide. Blank is to climb. Recession is to withdrawal. A. Ascent. B. Absence. C. Dollar. D. Absorption. The correct answer is A. Ascent. Climb and ascent are synonyms, just like recession and withdrawal. Same word relationship. Alphabetical is to blank. Sequential is to files. A. Sort. B. Part. C. List. D. Order. The correct answer is C. List. Alphabetical describes the ordering of a list, and sequential describes the ordering of files. Myopic is to farsighted. Blank is to obscure. A. Benevolent. B. Famous. C. Turgid. D. Wasted. The correct answer is B. Famous. Myopic is the opposite of farsighted. Famous is the opposite of obscure. Mouse is to blank. Flash is to camera. A. Rat. B. Computer. C. Cord. D. Dessert. The correct answer is B. Computer. A mouse is a peripheral of a computer, just like a flash is a component of a camera. Cushion is to sofa. Shelf is to blank. A. Ledge. B. Bookcase. C. Storage. D. Frame. The correct answer is B. Bookcase. A cushion is part of a sofa. A shelf is part of a bookcase. Parts to whole. Blank is to play. Sing is to anthem. A. Act. B. Scene. C. Theater. D. Field. The correct answer is a act. You act in a play just like you sing an anthem. Action done with R for the thing. Scrub is to wash. Sob is to blank. A. Cry. B. Water. C. Sad. D. Tease. The correct answer is A. Cry. Scrub equals wash, synonyms. Sob equals cry, same synonym relationship. Moisten is to blank. Cool is to freeze. A. Water. B. Soak. C. Oven. D. Grow. The correct answer is B. Soak. Moisten to soak, light wetting to fully wet, just like cool to freeze, lower temperature to solidify. Persimmon is to blank. Cottontail is to rabbit. A. Cinnamon. B. Oven. C. Badger. D. Berry. The correct answer is D. Berry. A persimmon is a kind of berry fruit, just like a cottontail is a kind of rabbit, specific to general. Stars is to astronomy, blank is to history. A. Battles. B. Eclipse. C. Horse. D. Autumn. The correct answer is A. Battles. Stars are studied in astronomy. Battles are studied in history, topic to its field. Rook is to chess, blank is to badminton. A. Grass. B. Tennis. C. Shuttlecock. D. Swing. The correct answer is C. Shuttlecock. A rook is a piece used in chess. A shuttlecock is the object used in badminton, piece/object to its game. Aesop is to fable. Homer is to blank. A. Temple. B. Donkey. C. Epic. D. Greece. The correct answer is C. Epic. Aesop wrote fables. Homer wrote epics, authored to their work type. Blank is to wood. File is to nail. A. Hammer. B. Cabinet. C. Saw. D. Plane. The correct answer is D. Plane. A file smooths, shapes a nail. A plane smooths, shapes wood. Same tool, material relationship. Volume is to blank, stanza is to poem. A. Measure. B. Pint. C. Encyclopedia. D. Kitchen. The correct answer is C. Encyclopedia. A stanza is a part of a poem. A volume is a part of an encyclopedia. Part to whole. Doze is to sleep. Tiptoe is to blank. A. Walk. B. Flat. C. Shelf. D. Swim. The correct answer is A. Walk. Doze is a light kind of sleep. Tiptoe is a light kind of walk. Same relationship. Deplete is to decrease. Blank is to avoid. A. Danger. B. Dislike. C. Miss. D. Shun. The correct answer is D. Shun. Deplete equals decrease synonyms. Shun equals avoid. Same synonym relationship. What is your score?